Hello everyone, I am Saujanya. I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today we are discussing about role of DNS in networks. First we can see the introduction to DNS. DNS, Domain Name System, is a crucial component of how the internet functions, surviving as a directory that matches domain names to IP addresses, and it ensures that users are able to access websites and other resources using human readable addresses. And now we can discuss about the DNS. Address resolution. DNS translates domain names into IP addresses, allowing user to access websites and applications. Hierarchical structure. DNS organizes domain names in a hierarchical structure, ensuring efficient and reliable name resolution. Protocol. It operates on the IP protocol and provides a mechanism for distributed database systems. And now we can see the how DNS works. Client send to request. A user intimates a request to visit a website using its domain name. Root servers. The request is forwarded to the root servers to determine the authority name servers for the request domain. Name resolution. The authority name servers provide the IP addresses associated with the domain and enabling the to connect the server. And next we can discuss about the DNS resolution process. It has two types, interactive query and recursive query. Interactive query interacts with the DNS server to retrieve the IP addresses for the requested domain through a series of queries. Recursive query. If the DNS server does not have the requested information, it conducts its own search until the information is found and provided the slide. And next we can discuss about the types of DNS records. It has three types: A record, CNAME record, MX record. A record maps a domain name to an IP addresses, and CNAME record. It is used to arise one name to another. MX record. It specifies the mail server responsible for receiving email on behalf of the domain. And next we can see the importance of DNS in networks. It has two types: network accessibility, load balancing. Network accessibility is a DNS ensures seamless access to network resources, applications and services by translating domain names into IP addresses. Load balancing. It is a facilitates load distribution, access multiple services, optimizing network performance and reliability. Next, DNS caching and its benefits. It has less load on service, 80%, reduced latency, and less load on services, reduced latency. By caching DNS records, the time required for name resolution is significantly reduced, leading to faster access to websites and resources. Less load on services. Caching minimizes the number of recursive queries to authoritative services, reducing the overall load on the DNS infrastructure. And next we can see the common DNS issues and troubleshootings. It has three types: slow response times, DNS server unavailability, incorrect DNS configuration. And next, DNS security and the best practices. It has three types: encryption, monitoring, access control. Encryption. Implementing DNS over HTTPS, DOH and DNS over TCL dot to enhance data privacy and security. Next, monitoring. Regularly monitoring DNS traffic and logs to detect any suspicious activities or potential security threats. Next, we can see the access control. Implementing proper access to control and using variables. And also it has the restrict authorized DNS. And next we can see the conclusion. DNS is an essential part of the internet. infatuation, facilitating the translation of domain names to IP addresses and ensuring the smooth functioning and the network's communication. Understanding its ensuring its security is crucial for maintaining a renewable and secure network environments. And also the domain name system is in a phone book of the internet, human access and information online through domain names like comma or and every device connected to internet has its own IP addresses which is used by other devices to locate the device. And also DNS translate domain to IP addresses and browsers can download internet resources. And also it easy to remember domain name and resolve into IP. And also it allows you to access remote systems by entering human readable devices and rather than IP address. And also it can change by server addresses like open the Google Home app, tap favorite Wi-Fi network settings and tap DNS, and you can choose your desired public and DNS server. If you choose a custom DNS server, enter a primary and secondary server address. And also the DNS resolution process involves a multiple steps and servers, but its end result is that users are able to access the websites and resources they need. And also it plays a crucial role in the functioning of internet by translating domain name into the IP address. And thank you for watching my video.